Okay, so we're going to take a look at another question from the 2023 HSC Standard 2 Maths paper. This is question 29. We're told the table shows monthly repayments for each $1,000 borrowed under the given terms of loans and interest rates. We're told a couple borrows $520,000 to buy a house at 8% per annum over a 25-year period. How much does the couple repay in total for the loan? Okay, so we want to work out what their monthly repayment is, then multiply it by the number of months in 25 years. So they borrowed $520,000, so this is 520 lots of 1,000. 8% for 25 years, so term alone 25, interest rate 8%, that gives us 7.72. So if the term of the loan is 25 years and the interest rate is 8%, this implies that the value we get from the table is 7.72. So this is the monthly repayment on $1,000 borrowed. They borrowed $520,000, so we have to multiply this by 520. So this means the total repayments, which we'll call TR, or the total monthly repayment, I should say. This is the monthly repayment, not the total repayment, is 772 times 520. This is 4014.4. 4014.40. So when the question asks us how much does the couple repay in total, it's this monthly repayment multiplied by the number of months in 25 years. So times 25 times 12. This means the total repayments will be 4014.4 times 25 times 12. This is 1.2 million, so 1204320.00. So therefore the total repayments on this loan will be $1,204,320. So this is the answer to 29A. For B, we are told Chris borrows some money at 7% per annum. Chris will repay the loan over 15 years, paying $3,596 per month. How much did he borrow? Okay, so we're told how much he pays per month. Now his term of the loan is 15 years. His interest rate is 7%. So first we need to find the value of the table associated with 15 years and 7%. That is 8.99. So this implies we get a point value of 8.99. This is how much you would repay per month if you borrowed $1,000 for this period. Now he repays 3,596. So we need to find how many lots of 899 are in 3,596. So we get 3,596 divided by 8.99. So 3,596 divided by 8.99. My calculator tells me this is 400. So this implies that he borrowed 400 lots of 1,000. Lots of $1,000. So 400 times 1,000, that's 400,000. So therefore Chris borrowed $400,000 under these conditions. And this is the answer to part B. So in terms of the marking, the first part is worth 3 marks, the second part just 1. For the first mark from 29A, you have to identify the correct factor from the table. So you've got to get the 7.72. For the second mark, you've got to find the monthly repayment. And for the third mark, you've got to find a correct solution. For part B, they just want a correct answer. So it's 1 mark for getting the working that gives you the answer 400,000, nothing for anything else. So this is how we do question 29 from the 2023 Standard 2 Maths paper.